Well, my sub count didn't move, which was really weird.
Honestly, I wouldn't surprise me if they push it back to Monday even.
It gets good. Hold on. So two-time champion. I'm gonna. Oh my god. Okay. Thank you for the tier 2. It's been 2 years. Yeah, I can't. I can't gift a sub in my own channel. I can do it. Come on, you guys. Trex.
Potato.
Oh my god. Okay, so
Potato.
I need to get like. Hold on. I need to get. Hold on, Trex. 1 second. I need to get like.
Potato.
So much for all the gifted subs. That is
Potato.
kind of you. I want to get really excited, but it's like.
Potato.
Oh my god. I can. This is. I love Steph to death. Steph was a great host. Stream. Hey guys, I'm Taylor. Thank you. What a 2. Oh my gosh, I saw. I need to apply for messages. VIP bandit. Come to a verdict already? Wait. Dakota, I don't know what the new. I'm a challenger. Remember, at the end of every match to do your 3-minute ad. I can remind.